President Emmerson Mnangagwa's spokesperson, George Charamba, and business tycoon KUTYA Tagwirei have made peace after talking on the cell phone, following some pot shots fired by presidential mouthpiece at the business mogul over remarks published on X page land tenure beneficiaries Dr. Tagwirei. Salamita mashuko na mdanyo kwa pangwa ine achanuka kunzi aiwa Dr. KUTYA Tagwirei na George Charamba aiwa waita peace wuwirirana wuregerana ndodo subscribe or like or on the bell icon tipinda mnauziri mubdanyo kwa mchinzi. Charamba had reacted angrily after seeing a post on the page praising Tagwirei, who is close to Mnangagwa in his capacity as chairperson of the Land Tenure Implementation Committee for bringing a new era and a transformative shift in the land ownership. The Twitter page said, in quotes, "The new era led by Dr. Tagwirei, Zimbabwe is undergoing a transformative shift in land ownership, spearheaded by KUTYA Tagwirei, chairperson of the Land Tenure Implementation Committee. This initiative is part of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 agenda, aiming to empower citizens, especially youth and women, through secure land ownership and economic opportunities." In reaction to that, Charamba charged, "It is this kind of communication just find disgusting. The Land Tenure Program is a program of government of Zimbabwe, which is led by President E.D. Mnangagwa. He appoints persons to implement it. Those persons neither own nor lead it. They merely implement it to the direction of the principal. Why try and draw a wedge between the president and Comrade Tagwirei through such reckless communication done under a coat of arms of the Zimbabwe government? Kana musikazvigoni bvunzai mhani." After speaking to Tagwirei, whom he also seemed to attack a few days ago by denouncing people who get unearned PhDs, as he is one of those, Charamba retreated, in quotes, "Setting the record straight, I've just been on the phone with Dr. Tagwirei. He categorically denies any link with accounts pretending association with him, including the one calling itself Land Tenure Program and another calling itself Friends of Dr. Tagwirei. He confirms the suspicion I have always held, that these accounts were created and are being run by crooks and or anti-ZANU-PF political activists who either seek to carry favor or to cause dispute in the ruling party. They will achieve neither." Ndo mashukano mudanyo kwa pangwa ine panapa tiona vachisolva this issue yakuonekwa kunzi aiwa panga patovanhi kurwa kana kuexchangeana kwemashoko aiwa pa social media. Enda kuma section medu tiza mafunguro enyu motudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Sawa, no subscribe or like, channel to on the bell icon.